Hello everyone. It's currently 7:42 p.m. here in the Philippines. Gusto ko nang gawin yung yung episode 12 ng Taco Family series. Pero feeling ko hindi matatapos 'yun kasi nga may inaatupag akong job application. Na may inaatupag akong job application, and then may inaatupag din akong upcoming extra job kasi mga anak yung sister ko. So I hope matapos ko yung episode 12 bago mag-August. Yeah, bago mag-August.